You might think drinking plain water at night is good for you, but after 60, that could be the very reason you're waking up at 2 a.m. every night. It seems like a healthy habit, a glass of water before bed to flush your body and stay hydrated. But the truth is, plain water contains nothing that helps you fall asleep. It doesn't calm your nerves, it doesn't keep you warm, and it doesn't provide magnesium, glycine, or tryptophan. These are the nutrients your body needs to enter deep natural sleep and stay there through the night. Worse, that water goes straight to your bladder, and as your body ages, your ability to hold water drops. Your bladder sends a signal much earlier. It pulls you out of deep sleep and you can't fall back asleep again. But here's the good news. You don't need to stop drinking water at night. You just need to switch to the right kind. In this video, I'll show you 5 drinks that can replace plain water. They have been proven to help older adults sleep more deeply, wake up less, and feel noticeably more refreshed after just one night. And the number 1 drink doesn't just help you sleep. It also helps restore your muscles, rebuild collagen, and leave your legs feeling lighter the next morning. So stay with me until the end, because the difference could begin tonight. Plain water is good, but at night it doesn't give you what you really need. It doesn't relax your nervous system, it doesn't warm your body, and it carries none of the ingredients your body uses to fall into deep sleep. After 60, your body no longer holds water at night like it used to. Your antidiuretic hormone declines, melatonin slowly fades year after year, and your bladder becomes more sensitive. Even one sip of plain water could be the reason you're waking up at 3 a.m. But the problem isn't water, it's the kind of water. Instead of cutting it out completely, you just need to switch to smarter drinks. Drinks that contain magnesium to relax your muscles, glycine to calm your brain, tryptophan that converts into melatonin, or plant-based compounds that reduce stress and support your natural sleep rhythm. These drinks won't trigger your bladder too early, they won't chill your stomach. And when you drink them the right way, they help your body hold on to just enough hydration to sleep through the night. The best part, you don't need a lot. Just one small glass at the right time with the right ingredients for your body. That alone could make a big difference overnight. Each drink I'm about to share has one thing in common. They're not just water, they carry specific nutrients that help your body shift from alertness to rest. Some give you magnesium, potassium, or glycine to soothe your nerves and release muscle tension. Some stimulate your body to produce serotonin and melatonin, helping you slip into deeper sleep. Others gently keep water inside your cells, avoiding bladder triggers during the night. And most importantly, they don't chill your core, spike your blood sugar, or cause restlessness. So here is the list of 5 drinks that can replace plain water at night. They won't just help you sleep better, they may also help calm your nerves, reduce bladder irritation, and leave you feeling stronger in the morning. We'll go from the most common option to the most powerful one. And the number 1 drink at the end of this video is something few people expect, but it offers a level of overnight recovery you can truly feel. Warm unsweetened almond milk, a gentle cup that helps cool down your mind. Many people believe only cow's milk helps with sleep. But after 60, when digestion becomes more sensitive to lactose, unsweetened almond milk becomes a much safer and more effective choice. And surprisingly, just one small warm cup of almond milk can help older adults fall into deeper sleep and wake up less often. The reason lies in magnesium and tryptophan. These are 2 natural components found in nut-based milk. Magnesium helps calm the nervous system and slows down the activity of stimulating receptors. Tryptophan is an amino acid that serves as a precursor to serotonin. This neurotransmitter creates a sense of relaxation, and at night serotonin is converted into melatonin, the main hormone that helps you enter deep sleep. A 2014 study published in the Journal of Research in Medical Sciences showed promising results. Adults who drank almond milk twice a day for 2 weeks increased their average deep sleep time by 22 minutes. They woke up fewer times during the night and felt more alert in the morning. In addition, unsweetened almond milk is low in calories, doesn't spike blood sugar, and doesn't cause bloating. This is especially important for older adults who may be pre-diabetic or have digestive issues at night. For the best effect, choose a version that's unsweetened and free of flavor additives. Warm about 120 to 150 milliliters and drink it 60 to 90 minutes before bedtime. You can add a pinch of cinnamon for flavor and to gently support circulation overnight. It may seem like just a simple cup of milk, but it offers a dual benefit. It nourishes your nervous system while supporting your nighttime biological rhythm. If you've never tried it, start tonight. And if you found it helpful, please share your experience in the comments so others can benefit too. Almond milk is a wonderful choice if you need a warm, nutrient-rich drink. But if you often go to bed with a restless mind, lingering worries, or a heart that hasn't settled down yet, the next drink might be just what you need. It has no calories, it won't cause bloating, and just a few sips can bring a noticeable calm to your brain. Chamomile tea, a small cup that can shut off mental stress in just minutes. You don't need sleeping pills. Sometimes a single cup of tea is enough to quiet the overload signals in your brain and help you fall into natural sleep without being yanked awake in the middle of the night. Chamomile tea is one such drink. It contains no caffeine, it isn't habit-forming, but it has a powerful calming effect thanks to a special compound called apigenin. Apigenin is a plant-based flavonoid that binds directly to GABA receptors in the brain. These receptors regulate anxiety, tension, and the circadian rhythm of sleep. When apigenin activates them, brain excitability slows down, the heart rate eases, and the nervous system begins to shift into rest mode. You may start to feel your eyelids getting heavier, your thoughts slowing down, and your breathing evening out. In a 2015 clinical study in Iran published in the Journal of Advanced Nursing, women over 65 who drank chamomile tea every evening for 2 weeks saw clear improvements in sleep quality. Time to fall asleep was reduced by an average of 16 minutes. Nighttime awakenings dropped by more than 30% compared to those who didn't drink tea. Most notably, 80% of participants reported feeling deeper and more pleasant sleep the next morning. Unlike sleeping pills which force drowsiness, chamomile helps your body reset naturally. It acts like a gentle signal to the brain that it's time to rest. No more struggle, no more worry. To use it properly, steep 1 bag of dried chamomile tea in hot water for 5 to 7 minutes. Let it cool to a warm, comfortable temperature. Then sip slowly, about 45 to 60 minutes before bed. If you like, you can add a slice of ginger or a few drops of natural vanilla to enhance its warmth, but avoid honey or sugar, especially if you're watching your blood sugar levels. And if you often go to bed with your mind still tense, try a cup of chamomile tea tonight. You may be surprised by the gentle but deep calm it brings. And if you notice a difference, don't forget to share your experience so others can discover this safe option for deeper sleep after 60. While chamomile tea helps calm the mind, the next drink focuses on something quieter but just as important. That is your electrolyte system. After 60, even a slight imbalance in minerals can trigger a sensitive bladder, unusual muscle contractions, and pull you right out of sleep. And the solution comes from a drink that may seem all too familiar. Lightly warmed coconut water, a drink that feels like summer but can help you sleep through the winter nights. It may sound unusual, but when used correctly, coconut water can be a natural choice for older adults who want to stabilize nerve rhythms, ease nighttime bladder spasms, and prevent those unwanted awakenings. The secret lies in the unique minerals found in fresh coconut water, such as potassium, magnesium, and natural sodium. These nutrients help maintain electrolyte balance, calm nerve signals, and regulate the gentle contractions of smooth muscles, including the bladder. A study published in the Journal of Sleep Disorders Research in 2017 found that older adults with lower potassium levels in their blood experienced more nighttime urination and fragmented sleep. The difference was about 28% compared to those with balanced electrolytes. When their minerals were gently restored through natural food sources, sleep quality improved significantly in just 1 week. But coconut water must be used the right way. Do not drink it cold. Do not drink it too close to bedtime, and it should not be used if you have kidney problems or need to limit your potassium intake. The best way is to dilute fresh coconut water with warm water using a 1:1 ratio. Drink only about 100 to 120 milliliters. Sip it slowly after dinner and keep at least 1 hour between drinking and going to sleep. You can add a slice of fresh ginger to increase warmth and support digestion. This is a light and natural drink that helps reduce pressure on the bladder, relax the blood vessels, and prevent your nervous system from becoming overstimulated during the night. If you have ever woken up due to leg cramps, restless legs, or the urge to pee even after drinking very little, coconut water might be the key to breaking that cycle. Try it for 3 nights in a row, and if you find yourself sleeping soundly until morning, come back and share your experience. Because sometimes just changing one simple drink can give your whole year of sleep a brand new beginning. While coconut water helps soothe nerve signals coming from your bladder, the next drink works directly on your adrenal glands. This is where your body controls stress hormones. For many seniors, the real reason they cannot sleep deeply is not the bladder or the environment. It is because cortisol remains high when they go to bed. And to gently lower this silent hormone, nothing is more effective than warm golden milk. Golden milk with black pepper. A golden drink that can quiet stress hormones in just 1 hour. Cortisol is the hormone of stress. And when you lie down with cortisol still high in your system, even if you are not actively worried, your brain stays on guard. Your heart rate does not drop. Your brain does not release melatonin, and you just lie there tossing and turning, unsure why you cannot sleep deeply. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, is one of the few natural agents that can regulate the HPA axis. This is the communication line between your brain, your pituitary gland, and your adrenal glands. When curcumin is absorbed well, it helps reduce cortisol production, boost GABA activity, and calm the prefrontal cortex. This is the area of the brain that often stays too active when you try to fall asleep. Black pepper plays an essential role here. It activates enzymes in the gut that increase curcumin absorption by 7 to 8 times. And when mixed with warm milk, the calming effect on your nerves comes quickly. In a 2019 study published in Phytotherapy Research, adults who took curcumin every night for 4 weeks saw their cortisol levels drop by an average of 23%. At the same time, their deep sleep and overall sleep quality improved as measured by EEG scans. Using it is simple. Mix half a teaspoon of pure turmeric powder with a small pinch of black pepper into 150 milliliters of warm milk. You can use almond milk, walnut milk, or oat milk. Drink it slowly about 1 hour before bed. Do not make it too strong and avoid drinking it on a completely empty stomach. This is not just a drink that helps you sleep better. It also gently reduces inflammation, eases nighttime joint pain, and supports your body's recovery during rest. If you've ever had a poor night's sleep due to stress or woke up feeling sore all over, try golden milk tonight. And if you feel better in the morning, don't hesitate to share your experience so others can also enjoy a night of real rest. If golden milk helps you soothe stress hormones and ease lingering pain during the night, then the final drink is the most complete solution. It not only helps you sleep more deeply, but also helps your body recover more effectively while you sleep. And the best part is that the results can show up quickly, sometimes in just 1 or 2 nights when used properly. Warm gelatin or diluted bone broth, a drink often seen as joint support, turns out to be the most powerful natural sleep aid for people over 60. You may have heard that gelatin helps with joint flexibility and firmer skin. But what few people know is that gelatin contains an amino acid called glycine. This is a key compound for deep sleep and central nervous system stability. Glycine helps slow your heart rate, gently lowers your core temperature, and increases slow brain waves. These are the exact physiological signs of deep, dreamless, uninterrupted sleep. A study published in the journal Neuropsychopharmacology in 2007 showed that just 3 grams of glycine taken before bed helped older adults sleep more deeply, wake up less often, and most importantly, wake up in the morning feeling noticeably clearer and refreshed. What is remarkable is that glycine does not force drowsiness like sleeping pills. It helps your body naturally transition into the sleep cycle, making it especially suitable for people with chronic insomnia or non-restorative sleep. Gelatin also boosts collagen production during sleep. It supports tissue repair, muscle recovery, and joint maintenance. After 60, your body is no longer as efficient in these processes as it once was. Bone broth, a lightly simmered broth made from bones, contains gelatin, glycine, proline, and several minerals that nourish joints, calm the stomach, and provide steady hydration throughout the night. You can dissolve 1 teaspoon of unflavored gelatin into about 120 milliliters of warm water. Stir thoroughly until fully dissolved. Then sip slowly about 30 to 45 minutes before bed. If you use bone broth, choose a low-sodium version. Warm it gently without making it too thick and drink it on its own without food to allow better absorption. If you've tried many ways to improve your sleep but still wake up tired, try gelatin or bone broth tonight. It may not be a miracle cure, but for seniors, sometimes just a little support at the right time and in the right place is enough to restore the peace of a truly restful night. And if you feel the difference, do not keep it to yourself. Share the name of the drink you are using in the comments because your small tip might help someone else sleep soundly tonight. You might worry about drinking anything at night because you think it will make you get up to pee. Don't worry, if you choose the right drink at the right time and use it the right way, you can still sleep deeply without being disturbed in the middle of the night. What matters is not whether you drink or not. What matters is how much you drink, when you drink it, and whether your body is properly prepared to hold water during sleep. First, remember you don't need to drink much. Just about 100 to 150 milliliters is enough. 1 spoonful of gelatin in warm water. Half a cup of almond milk. 1 small cup of chamomile tea. Each one has enough nutrients to support sleep without putting pressure on your bladder. Drinking more will not help you sleep better. It will only make you wake up earlier. Second, drink it 60 to 90 minutes before bedtime. Don't wait until you're in bed to drink it. Treat it as a relaxing ritual after dinner. After you finish your drink, brush your teeth and go to the bathroom one last time. An empty bladder will give you peace of mind and help you enter deep sleep without being awakened halfway through the night. Third, prioritize drinks that are low in liquid volume but rich in nutrients. Thickened gelatin, golden milk, or almond milk are all excellent choices. They not only help you relax, but also keep water inside the muscle and nerve tissues instead of sending it to the bladder. If you have ever been woken up by tea or coconut water, try drinking those earlier, ideally before 7 in the evening. Fourth, build a habit of going to the bathroom at the same time every night. Your bladder has a memory, and when you help it rebuild a regular rhythm, your body will slowly relearn how to hold water through the night without pressure or strain. Fifth, do not drink all at once. Sip slowly, spread it out over 10 to 15 minutes. Breathe evenly as you drink. This helps your body absorb better and keeps your bladder from being shocked by a sudden intake. And finally, try just 1 drink per week. In the first week, try almond milk. In the second, try gelatin. Everyone responds differently. Testing each one by itself helps you discover what works best for your body without causing nighttime urination or discomfort. You do not need sleeping pills. You do not need to force yourself to sleep early. And you certainly do not need to suffer through another restless night. Sometimes it only takes a small change. 1 drink, the right kind at the right time, gentle enough to avoid filling your bladder, but strong enough to awaken your body's natural sleep response. After 60, sleep is no longer as simple as it once was. Your body changes, your hormones shift, your nervous system becomes more sensitive. But that does not mean you have to accept waking up startled at 2 a.m. and lying there unable to fall back asleep. You can still sleep a full 6 to 7 hours each night. And you can still wake up feeling clear and light when the morning comes. Start with just 1 small cup, a warm almond milk, a mild cup of chamomile tea, a diluted glass of warm gelatin. Pick the one that suits you. Drink it at the right time. Listen to your body and be patient for a few days. The difference will come gently but noticeably. So, which one will you try tonight? Share your choice in the comments below because your small experience might help someone else sleep better tonight. And if you want to keep receiving videos that help you understand your body better after 60, tap the subscribe button and turn on notifications. I will be here every week walking alongside you night after night toward the deep and restful sleep you truly deserve.